Hello dear friends, welcome to Tech channel. In this video, how to see how many hours I was active on Instagram in a day. So watch the video till the end, subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell. Let's go. Open in Instagram and click your profile and click setting and activity and click time spent. Is this okay? Very easy. Time on Instagram. For example, today 50 minutes. For yesterday, Tuesday, Wednesday, you can easily see the times you were active. Please like the video and subscribe the channel. Tech on Tech.